Hello, and welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, I'll be showing you a quick guide on how to prevent Microsoft Excel automatically removing leading zeros. Let's get started. Firstly, with your spreadsheet opened up, highlight the column or columns that have leading zeros removed. Then, right-click on the selected cells and select Format Cells. Making sure number is selected at the top, click on Custom. In the empty space under where it says Type, you need to type in the number of zeros that is equivalent to the number of digits you have. Then, click OK. You will now be able to automatically prevent Excel from removing the leading zeros. For a dedicated blog post on this topic, check out our website. The link is in the description below. That's it for today's video. We hope this resolved your issue. Subscribe for future related tutorials, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks for watching.